This is our Boomerang Lilac Galaxy Pour in our Crystal Edge round mold. I started this with 11 ounces of Art Pro resin, and I'm using acrylic inks Deep Violet by Liquitex, 6 drops in 2.29 ounces of resin. And then I have some Prussian blue acrylic ink, 4 drops in 1.94 ounces of resin. Then this really cool mica powder called Boomerang Lilac. I thought it was pink, but it does have some red hues to it, but when you see the end result, it turned out gorgeous. That was 3 scoops and 1.59 ounces of resin. Then I have my Ocean White pigment paste, 4 drops in 2.12 ounces, and then Quinacridone Magenta, 3 drops for the push, which is about 2.56 ounces of resin. And then I have some crushed glass and iridescent glass beads and some glitter to add in the center. This, of course, is an easy pour. You pour all of the deep violet to the bottom. Oh, after I check the temperature, of course. I poured this one a little bit earlier at like 30.5 degrees Celsius. Sometimes I wait till 34 degrees, but this one went early. So you pour all the deep violet to the bottom. And it's funny, I'll just switch around these colors and it makes a totally different pour. You can put blue on the bottom, deep violet on the top. And here I'm taking the Prussian blue and I'm just drawing spirals on the top. And as you can see, they're not perfect. And I've learned, since I tend to get heavy going in one direction, I turn it up and go the other way. This is my new little trick. And once you've circled in and out, out to in, you just take the little bit of what's left and pour it right into the center. No need to scrape it. Next, you do the same thing with the mica powder. That's weird that I'm going counterclockwise first, whatever. And my circles are not perfect, but it doesn't matter. You're just laying the resin down, it's all going to get pushed out by the push. Up, and then I just decide to switch angles, switch circles, counterclockwise to clockwise, and then just halfway across the thing. You just can't ruin a pour in this mold. Every pour I've done in this mold turns out excellent. And then you've got your white, and you do the same thing. Going clockwise, outside to in. You could probably go inside to out. It doesn't really matter. And you just take the excess what's left and put it in the center. There really isn't a lot of explanation needed for these videos. They're pretty easy to do. And then again, once you're done with that, I should have put some more on the outside edge, but I didn't. I just pushed the rest to the center. And then the push. And like I said, I've switched these colors up. I'm going to do them all again because like I said, they all sell out. I'm going to try them in different color combos. I might even do some neon ones. And there's my glass and iridescent beads just to go in the center. They have a little bit of resin in them to help them sink. And the Art Pro resin is a medium viscosity resin and it's very reactive. That's why you get these kind of great results with it. And there's a bit of a time lapse. And once it's cured the next day, it's time to demold. That color is simply stunning. It's called Boomerang Lilac, but it definitely gave a pinky purple shimmer.